Hi, it's Emily here, and I'm showing exercise for your psoas. Anyone that ever has any issues with their hip flexors, this area can get really tight. And so you're gonna do is you're gonna take the gold ball, or you can take the silver or your pearl, and you place it directly on top of your hip, like this, and just let it sit there. The premise is stimulating the bone. That's what body rolling is all about. So when you're here, you're going to reach your left arm up and your left leg up. And just let it sit here. It's like doing bird dog, the yoga pose on a ball. And then you bring your arm and your leg down. I like to cross my arm like this. So you're doing here is you're going to take your body and I'm wrapping, like I'm turning my pelvis to the left. So the front of my leg drops down to the floor. And just breathe and feel this. Inhale and exhale. 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 Then you bring yourself back up. You're going to move your body back. The ball moves up. You're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So I like to bring my feet up like this just to get more out of it, but the other option is just doing it with your knees flat on the floor. And you're going to inhale here and exhale, and then bring your body back. The ball moves up. So directly across from your belly button. So you can feel where your belly button is, you're directly across from it. So you want to breathe here and relax and just chill. Inhale and exhale. So what you can do here is you can take your body and you can turn it this way. The ball's kind of going inside. This is a really good way to create space in your abdomen. And then when you come back center, just let yourself relax over the ball. And just breathe here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then gently come up. Just sit up. And just feel that. I already feel like you have more space in your rib cage. Breathing is better. So if any of you that sit at a computer all day or do any activity that tends to shorten these muscles, that's a really good stretch for creating space. Thank you.